Lobster is a highly prized seafood known for its tender meat and rich flavor. It is also a good source of several essential nutrients, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Nutritional benefits of lobster. Protein. Lobster is an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing approximately 25 grams of protein per 100 grams of meat. Vitamins. Lobster is a good source of vitamins B12, B6, and E, which are essential for proper nerve function, red blood cell production, and immunity. Minerals. Lobster is rich in minerals such as zinc, copper, and selenium, which are important for maintaining a healthy immune system, proper growth and development, and good overall health. Here is a recipe for grilled lobster with garlic butter. Ingredients: 4 lobster tails, split in half lengthwise. 1/2 cup butter, melted. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat a grill to medium-high heat. In a small bowl, mix together the melted butter, garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Brush the butter mixture onto the flesh side of the lobster tails. Place the lobster tails flesh side down on the grill and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, until the flesh is opaque and lightly charred. Flip the lobster tails over and brush with the remaining butter mixture. Cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, until the lobster meat is fully cooked and the shell is bright red. Serve hot with additional butter and lemon wedges, if desired. This grilled lobster recipe is a healthy and delicious way to enjoy this seafood delicacy. While lobster is relatively low in calories, this recipe does contain added butter, so it is important to enjoy it in moderation.